All right, let's dive right in. We're in the middle of the biggest shakeup in finance since, I don't know, maybe the invention of the credit card. And it's all being driven by something you're probably already using every single day: artificial intelligence. Believe me, it's changing how money works, and it's happening right now.
So let's just cut to the chase. How is AI actually upgrading your money? I mean, the way you earn it, the way you spend it, and how you invest it. That is the big question we're going to break down today.
Now, to really understand where this is all headed, we first have to get a handle on the foundation. And that foundation is a word you've probably heard a million times by now: FinTech.
FinTech is, you guessed it, exactly what it sounds like: a mashup of financial and technology. The entire goal here is to use tech to make financial services better, faster, and cheaper for everyone from the huge investment banks all the way down to you and me.
And you might think of fintech as this super new thing, but really it's been evolving for over 150 years. I mean, it kicked off with the first transatlantic telegraph way back in 1866, then came credit cards and ATMs, then the internet gave us PayPal, and now here we are in the age of crypto and mobile banking. It's really just one long story of technology completely reinventing the idea of money.
Okay, so what are the engines actually powering this whole modern fintech era? Well, it really boils down to just a handful of breakthrough technologies all working together.
The way to think about it is that modern fintech is basically built on 5 key pillars. You've got AI doing the smart work like spotting fraud. You've got blockchain for super secure transactions. Big data helps everyone understand what's actually happening in the market. Cloud computing gives it all the horsepower and scale it needs to run. And then you have APIs. Think of APIs as the universal translators that let all these different apps and services talk to each other seamlessly.
And just to give you a sense of the scale we're talking about, let's just zoom in on one of those pillars. The market for blockchain and fintech, all on its own, is projected to hit $36 billion by 2028. That's the kind of mind-boggling potential that's pushing this whole industry forward.
But right now, one of those pillars is causing an absolute seismic shift. We're moving beyond that traditional AI into something new: generative AI. And look, this isn't just a simple upgrade. It is completely rewriting the playbook for how financial products are even created.
So here's the crucial difference. In the old days, the business team would write up a request, throw it over the wall to the tech team, and then just wait. But now, with generative AI, it's a real-time conversation. The most important skill isn't coding, it's prompt engineering. It's knowing how to ask the AI the right questions. The business experts are right there in the loop, shaping the tool directly. It is so much faster, way more collaborative, and honestly, just a lot more effective.
And this quote just sums it up perfectly. The balance of power has totally flipped. It is no longer a job that's just for the AI specialists. The business experts, the people who actually understand the customers and the market, they're now driving 60 to 70% of the development. That is a massive, massive cultural change.
Okay, so theory is great, but what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's take a look at 2 financial giants, Sinopec and Cathay, and see how they're using this new model to get some pretty incredible results.
First up, Sinopec. Back in 2020, they decided to make AI their core strategy. And since then, they have launched over 100 distinct AI projects. This isn't just them dipping their toes in the water. This is a full-scale commitment to reinventing their entire business. A perfect example of this is their investment crystal ball tool for customers. Now look who's leading this project. It's not the IT department. It's the teams from wealth management and securities. They are the ones writing the prompts, testing the AI's output, and then working with IT to push out updates 3 times a week. This is that new collaborative model in action, right there.
Okay, now let's switch over to Cathay Financial. They are weaving AI into their entire ecosystem. Their Cube app, it offers hyper-personalized banking. In their life insurance division, they built an AI coach that has literally doubled the willingness of clients to engage with agents. And for property insurance, they use AI to analyze claims, which speeds up the process and helps them catch fraud.
And the scale of this is just staggering. Their Cube app alone now handles 24 billion customer interactions every single year. Just think about that for a second. That's 24 billion chances to deliver a personalized, AI-driven experience that makes that customer relationship stronger.
And here it is, the bottom line. By building out this integrated AI-powered ecosystem, Cathay has seen the revenue it generates increase 8-fold, 8 times, in just 3 years. That is a direct line from having a smart AI strategy to absolutely explosive business growth.
So where is this all headed? The thing is, the future isn't some far-off concept anymore. It's happening right now. So what should we be expecting next as all these technologies get even more powerful and, well, more interconnected?
Well, this next wave is all about connection. We can expect even smarter AI that delivers true hyper-personalization. Blockchains won't be stuck in their own little worlds anymore. They're going to communicate across different networks. And data itself is going to become a core service you can plug into. It is all moving towards a single, seamless ecosystem that connects every single part of your financial life.
If there's one big takeaway from all this, it's that the lines have completely blurred. Your bank, your insurance company, your investment firm, they're not just financial institutions anymore. They are tech companies that just happen to deal with money. And that leaves all of us with one final, very important question. Are you ready for that shift?